A wonderful color change makes this experiment very nice. Let's find out. We need a red cabbage, containers, baking soda, water, Sprite, vinegar, and lemon juice. Pick a few leaves of cabbage. Pour water. Blend very well. Pour the juice in each container. Add lemon juice on the first container. Add the vinegar on the second one. And add Sprite on the third one. Baking soda. Then water. Watch the difference on the colors before and after. Cabbage juice turns onto red, orange, and pink when you add acids. Turns to green and purple when you add base. And that was a great experiment with home ingredients.